Hi, I'm Rudy Saunders. I'm an interior designer at Dorothy Draper Company, and we're here in the West Terrace Suite at the historic Greenbrier Resort in West Virginia. The West Terrace Suite is one of 3 terrace suites. There's also a North and East Terrace Suite, and all 3 can be connected for one larger combined suite. Here in the West Terrace Suite, we have a large, spacious parlor, 2 bedrooms with bathrooms, and then there is a very large terrace that wraps around the entire space with really wonderful views of the surrounding Allegheny Mountains. You see the chapel and all the different things. So throughout the year, the different seasons, really, this is a great suite to really enjoy the beauty of West Virginia. Starting in the parlor, working with Mr. Varney, his big thing was making sure that the West Terrace Suite remained red. Originally, when Mrs. Draper designed this space, it was red and wanted to carry that through moving forward. So we started with the red swagged wallpaper that is one of our classic trademarks at Dorothy Draper for a really nice tonal backdrop and really makes it a very elegant, dramatic space. He certainly wanted these to be colorful rooms, but still have a sense of elegance and drama and that kind of Hollywood glamour that he loved. Then kind of the next point was the drapery fabric that's also on the sofa. And it's a beautiful design that has so many different colors in it that we use not only here in the parlor, but then drew back into the bedrooms to kind of give a really cohesive feeling to the suite. This parlor is really spacious and allows for group entertaining, whether you're hosting a meeting or hosting a party for different groups or just a family function. There's a table for eating with a wet bar, so room service can come up, and it just gives you some flexibility here at the hotel. The center part of the suite is a really beautiful camelback sofa that's also done in that Amari plate fabric with a really fun red trim that kind of ties back to the side chairs that are flanking it and just adds that little bit of special interest. Behind the seating group, flanking the 2 guest room doors, are 2 really beautiful carved chests. And above it are 2 mirrors with gilt eagles that, again, very signature Draper trademarks with then carved sconces on either side that just adds, again, that elegance and really that kind of special bit to the suite. This suite, as well as many of the guest rooms throughout the hotel, received this fresh carpet that is a custom Dorothy Draper design of a very classic fretwork trellis in bright green, and so it really just adds that fun punch of color to the space. The 2 bedrooms here in the West Terrace Suite are really special and beautiful with the color and kind of what you would expect for a very classic Dorothy Draper bedroom here at the Greenbrier. There is a king-size poster bed in each of the bedrooms with an adjoining private bathroom for each. The first room is a really beautiful Dorothy Draper archival pattern of a blue rose on a white ground, and then dark green silk moire window treatments. And then next door is another archival Dorothy Draper wallpaper that Mr. Varney designed called Rosalind that was named in honor of Mrs. Carter from his time working as the White House decorator. And for this room, we wanted to bring out the pink from the wallpaper, and so we did a pink moire on the drapes. The terrace on the suite is really the showstopper. It is expansive and wraps around. It has various types of seating to allow for whether entertaining or relaxing, and they're really special because you really can see from the West Virginia wing all the way over to the Colonnade Estate home. You get the chapel, and again, throughout the seasons, it really shows off the beauty of the mountains of West Virginia.